Hi, everyone. My name is Etienne Noumen. I'm the creator of the AI Unraveled podcast. So, this video is part of our AI Builders Toolkit series. So, it's going to be available on AI Unravel. So, feel free to download it. And it's also available at jamgatech.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to build visual infographics. So, as you can see on my screen here, so I'll show you how you can use Google Gemini, use deep research, create an article, but when you create an article with deep research, it looks like this, right? It's really, really hard to read, like, but if you want to have like a visual infographic, like a quick summary of what you've done, so there is a tool that you can use to do that. So at the end of the day, what we want that long article of 52 pages that I just showed you to look like this. So you can look at it and have that with that visual infographic, you can derive a lot of knowledge very quickly, and you can also use it for your presentation, right? So let's go. So I'm going to go here. So I want to write a research about this topic, filling the gaps in biodiversity knowledge, with emphasis on how AI can contribute. I read an article at McGill University Review, and I want Google Deep Research to use that article. So you write exactly in your prompt what you want to do, and then you select Deep Research. This is very important. When you do that, you go. It takes a long time to do those research, right? So I'm not gonna stay here and wait for the research to finish. I'll just show you how it's going, right? So I have another tab here that I started before this demo where my research is going. As you can see, deep research, has been looking for article to build the research. Now it's still going. It's still analyzing result. I'm not going to waste your time showing you all that. This is how deep research works. So it's just going to go get all the article related or relevant to this research, just like a normal researcher is doing, right? And then come up with the article. So I'm not going to waste your time with all that. So basically, this is how it works. So google.gemini.com, you type your prompt, select deep research, go. So when this is done, what we're going to get is this document, right? So this is the document we're going to get at the end of our deep research. And what I want to show you is how we can go from this document to create our visual infographics. So once you got your research completed, you can just export it into a Google Doc. And then you see I got a 52 document page, right? Produced by Deep Research from our prompt. Now, what do you do to create that visual infographics? Hello, welcome back. So our deep research is completed, and this is what we got from deep research, right? So we've created this document, and we can export it to Google Doc. If we click then export it to Google Doc, we're gonna have a new document created, and it's gonna, the end document is gonna be this, right? Or we can wait until the document gets created. It usually doesn't take time. Yeah. So this is the latest one, right? So we created this document for our deep research. Now we want to create the visual infographics for this document, right? So all we have to do is go back to our Google Gemini and go create infographics, right? So it's going to run the code right here. It's going to take a few minutes. It's going to be HTML, it's going to be CSS, it's going to be JavaScript, all integrated to create this beautiful visual infographics. I'm not going to wait until it's done. And then at the end, when it's done, this is what we're going to get. So this is going to be our end result, right? So that's how you create your visual infographics, and it looks beautiful, right? And then you can share it, you can turn it into a PDF, and you can put it on your website, you can send it by email. So as you can see, the visual infographics is not very big, right? It's a summary, it's only a couple of pages, right? So there's a big tips that I want to share with you. So if the more specific your initial query is, the better your result. Instead of broad topics, include very specific aspect. Like you said, like you saw at the beginning, I was just trying to create a research about a specific topic. So for your infographics, try to talk about, the time frame, include specific aspect like comparison, things that you want to see in your report. So it's just doing what you ask, but all the tools are there. It's up to you to go and create. Thank you for watching. This was a special episode about create visual infographics using Google Gemini. You can go and download the AI Builder Toolkit at jamgatech.com or at Shopify. Thank you, Etienne Noumen. Bye.